golden age of change. It's a collaborative work, no? And I love to do collaborative work with other artists. Ko pagka sugod ko painting, wala na ako nanumdum pa sing iban. Do amo na ni gusto ko. Then kabalo ko amo na ni gusto ko since then so nag-focus ko to show a work sa public nga magical, may message, ang importance in time, golden time for me, and then also the love of country. Kabayo is for me always appear in my work na for me kabayo ka strong eh. Si Juan Taman o si Juan, no? Katupinero tumbo ang kalo iya naga-announce na there's another chance for us to move forward. Ako na gusto ko ma-inspire sa mga tao gapungko sa government, mga tao gapungko sa pa-empower na we are given another chance to make a change. So for me, life is a stage. Mayara to burn. Well, we always hope for peace. Mayara mo to eyes, the eye of seeing, the third eye. Mayara to kamot, the hands of God maybe. That's the beauty of the work in progress. Ining purpose ko man siyang NGC kong work is give in your generation a chance to dream. So I want you guys to also see ang limitless possibility sa creative mind. The talent, it's just how you nurture it. You can be very creative in how you dress up, how you see the world, little moments yung isulat mo, inspired ka. That would makita kung tao nagkuha selfie, nag-smile sa mubra ko, na-appreciate ang mubra ko sing common tao, happy na ko na. And then probably I would also ask you, anong reaction niyo sa mubra ko? Anong feeling niyo sa work? No? Very important sa akin.
Kagang namian ko sa iyang artwork ang may kabayo nga may kasakay nga tao kay daw nga madalasang turot na daw ka-enjoyable kag amlan na. Salamat.
I'm Charlie Ko. I'm I'm running a gallery. We're now in Gallery Orange. It's 11 years now. And I'm a painter based in Bacolod, a sculptor. And I love Bacolod.